Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some tranquil weather in store for today. We'll have some slightly breezy northeasterly winds this afternoon, possibly gusting high as 20 knots. But overall, good weather in store today. Increase of our cirrus cloudiness ahead of a system that's going to be moving through the region for our Saturday, giving us rain likely for Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening, even a chance of a thunderstorm for Saturday evening. But for the rest of the day-to-day, good conditions in store. Just that slightly breezy northeasterly wind. Our current surface analysis, we have high pressure ridging down from New England into the Mid-Atlantic region. We have an area of disturbed weather across the Mississippi Valley into the Plain States associated with an upper level trough. It's moving towards the region for tomorrow and developing an area of low pressure over the area for our Saturday evening, giving us that chance of a thunderstorm. Our current observation, we have a few clouds 1,900 feet, scattered deck at 21,000 feet. Winds out of the northeast 8 knots, temperature 49 degrees, and relative humidity around 75%. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery as well as the composite reflectivity, you can see precipitation well off to our west across Ohio and Tennessee valleys. Currently seeing a break in the cloudiness across our region. We'll see some more cirrus cloudiness build in, especially for the afternoon evening hours today, as well as some low-level cloudiness possibly building in for this evening. And take a look at the 3-kilometer NAM model. Next 48 hours or so, you can see today good conditions in store. Moving to the overnight hours, you start to see that reflectivity start to approach the region. Just going to be the case of some increasing mid and upper level cloudiness. But once we move in the afternoon hours, we'll see that rainfall start to reach the ground, especially after about 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And then thereon, we'll see periods of some showers, possibly some moderate rainfall during the afternoon hours. And then once we move in the evening hours, we'll see an area of low pressure, start to develop across the region. And that's going to give us a chance of some moderate to heavy rainfall, as well as a chance of a thunderstorm once this cold front moves to the region. You can see here the 3-kilometer NAM brings that cold front through just before midnight on Saturday into Sunday. But we'll see that chances some thunderstorms during the evening into the early overnight hours. And then once that cold front does pass east of the region, we'll see things clear out. Sunday, we'll see a windy day across the region, as well as a slight chance of a brief sprinkle or rain shower with a fairly potent upper level trough moving through the region. Just not going to have very much moisture to work with, so could see a sprinkle or light rain shower on Sunday with those windy conditions expected. So for today, green chart across the board, good conditions today, high around 54, low tonight around 42 during the evening hours, and then rising slowly overnight into the mid-upper 40s, for Saturday morning. Winds northeasterly 9 to 14 knots, gust to 20 knots this afternoon, and then easterly southeasterly wind overnight around 7 to 12 to 5 to 10 knots. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll see VFR conditions for the work hours today. A chance we see some ceilings around 1,500 feet after 10 p.m. or 2,200 local tonight. And then overnight, we'll see a chance of some lower ceilings around 1,000 feet. But overall, for tomorrow morning, we'll see mostly cloud overcast conditions, that mid and upper level cloudiness really thickening across the region with a broken deck at 10,000 overcast 18,000. Our tides are running about 1 foot above normal currently. And Saturday into Sunday, mostly cloud overcast, rain likely by afternoon, then scattered showers and thunderstorms by the late evening. We'll see breezy conditions late, a high of 55 degrees. Those temperatures will actually rise after this forecast period ends at 8 p.m. on Saturday. So could see temperatures in the upper 50s right before that cold front moves through early Saturday night. So looking at Saturday night, windy, scattered showers and thunderstorms till about midnight, then becoming partly cloudy and breezy, a low of 46. And for Sunday, partly to mostly cloudy and windy, slight chance of brief rain showers, as mentioned, and wind gusts will be between 40 and 50 miles an hour on Sunday, a high of 55 degrees. So red condition for our wind for both Saturday night and Sunday, red condition for our rain on Saturday. We'll continue with a good likely chance of rainfall early Saturday overnight, especially during the evening hours. Going with orange here is that activity be more scattered in general. We'll continue to see that chances of lightning across the region for Saturday evening and early overnight on Saturday into Sunday. We'll also see some chances of some low ceilings with any of that heavy rainfall that does move through the region. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock in the next 7 days.